Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to episode 2 of the eBay Dropshipping Challenge. I'm currently in Cyprus, as you can see, and I'm just here to give you guys a quick update before the video actually starts. The next segment will be back in the UK and we'll be back properly on the video. Anyway, so last episode was very successful with listing products. And what's happened is we've actually got a lot of sales. It's been about 6 days since I've recorded that video. The first 2 days we got no sales, and then once I got here I started listing some more products. Actually, we're around 30 products listed now, and I've got about 17 sales if I put them all up on the screen now. But yeah, I'm very happy that we've been getting sales. I'll be going down over with the profits in the next segment, but I just wanted to give you guys this quick update. And we made about £40 around that, but I'm sure we'll probably get some more sales on the way back. Make sure you press that subscribe button, press that bell button so you're notified for the next video that comes out. If you really are interested in this series, as you will learn a lot from watching this. If you are a new eBay dropshipper or existing, you'll get some gems that I'm sure you didn't know about before. This is kind of like a free course. So yeah, thank you very much. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so I am now back in the UK and we are ready to get this show back on the road. We're ready to work hard at this eBay dropshipping store again, and I've got some great news. I've already said that we've got lots of sales, but we've got even more sales since then, and it's only been a bit less than 24 hours. We've got some feedback. I've got a lot of things to tell you about, give you a quick rundown on what's happened. I'm going to talk to you about some important things I've done that are really going to help the future of this business. I'm going to tell you some really important gems, important things in this video about certain things that are really going to help the future of this business, and there's going to be a lot of things in this video. We're probably going to list a few more products as well. We're using Hustle Got Real, as I've got some suggestions for that, and if you want to use Hustle Got Real, I've got a discount code. It is Louis30. If you want to go use that, you'll get 30% off your first month, so I recommend you go use that. And if you want to know what it does, you can watch my fully automated eBay dropshipping video, or you can continue watching this video and you'll see exactly what it does. So let's have a look here. As you can see here, we've done £376 in revenue, but you've got to get rid of £120 of that, as it is the laptop, which we started with £0. That's how we got the money to start with, so that's going to be £256. That is in revenue of just the dropshipping products. As you can see here, we've now got 31 products listed. Yes, I listed a few more products when that video ended. Whilst I was in Cyprus, when I was just waiting around for certain things, I was listing products. As I really wanted to get some sales for this, so I could give you guys the good news for the next episode, which is this episode. As you see here, we've done 21 that have been sold, and as we see here, we've got some feedback as well, so I'll just show you the feedback. As you see here, 2 positive feedbacks, what we love to see. As described and works well, excellent service, thank you. So let me show you something here. If we go on to my messages, as you can see here, we got this message here about this product. Hi, this works well, was just wondering where the 2 valves go. They did figure it out themselves in the end. I got a message actually 2 minutes later saying, sorry, I was slow, I figured it out. But still, even though they've done that, I still need to find the answer to this, because if one person has asked this, someone in the future might ask this and they might not figure it out for themselves. So what I did was I went on Banggood, I went on live chat, and I asked them, would you please be able to email the supplier, the guy that actually sold the item to me on Banggood, the seller, and ask where the 2 valves go, and please would you be able to update me with the answer in 24 to 48 hours, and they said that is fine. So I will have the answer to this, meaning I can save that answer next to the product, and the next time someone orders and they have this question, I will now have that answer for them. That is something you guys will really need to do whenever you get a question. Even if they solve it themselves, have the answer there ready for the next time someone asks that same question, because chances are if you sell 100 of the same product, this product, I will get another person asking this question. So it's very important to keep your answers in a notepad or whatever, so you know what to say when they ask questions. But the first time someone asks you a question, you may be thinking, how do I respond to that, because I'm not going to be able to get the answer right away. This is how you will respond to that. I'll show you my example. This is what you'll say, because you need to obviously go on to Banggood and ask the question yourself, or whatever your supplier is. Hi there, sorry for the issue. I'm going to look into this for you and we'll have a response in the next 24 to 48 hours latest. Thank you for your patience. Kind regards. So you want to say something along those lines. You don't want to just ignore the message until you have the answer, because that looks very bad and they might put bad feedback. You want to reply instantly and say something along these lines, because they know you're not making the product yourself. They're probably assuming you're a wholesaler and you're buying in bulk, so you got to ask your supplier. It doesn't matter even if you say I've got to go ask my supplier. It's not a big deal. I don't personally do that, but you can do that. It's not a big deal. But yeah, that's what you do there. So I just wanted to teach you guys a few things before this video properly starts. And also I want to show you a really common thing that you get on a new eBay account. My account actually got restricted, guys, but it's fine. Let me show you what happened here. I received this email and I kind of just laughed because I know exactly what this email is and I know it's fine. But for you guys that are new eBay dropshippers, or you've just created a new eBay self account, this may scare you if you got this email, but honestly, do not be worried. I'm going to show you the whole live chat as well. I've got this transcript here, so I'll be able to show you exactly what I said to get through this and get past this issue here. So as we see here, it says, we wanted to let you know that you have been temporarily restricted from selling and buying on eBay because of concerns of your seller account. This must be frustrating, but measures like this keep our marketplace safe, blah blah blah. So as you see, everything got delisted and it was so annoying because you have to relist everything, but it's not too big of a deal because it goes in your unsold folder on eBay and you just press relist. But anyway, now if I go on to the transcript, where is this? This will be up here. So as you see here, this is the transcript of the live chat when I got this email. So I said, it says, be assured that there is no major issues with your account, just part of a usual verification procedure for new accounts. Worry not, you have me on your side. But they're going to be asking very detailed questions and you've got to answer these correctly. You really do have to answer these correctly. So he's asked me, can you please confirm what items you're planning to sell? I said, I'm planning to sell on a range of products that I've been selling for a long time in my physical store, such as fish tanks and outdoor products such as barbecue fires. I've been getting my products from bigbuy.eu and also Create, which are both really big and well-known wholesale websites. So what I've said here is it's my physical store. Obviously I don't own the physical store, but it makes it look like I've owned a physical store for a long time. If don't do this, you don't have to say a physical store or whatever like that if it's your personal account. But if you have a stealth account and you've been permanently suspended in the past, you want to say something like this. You have a physical store and you've decided you want to get selling online. And I said, which are both wholesaler or buy in bulk. I decided it's time to move online, so that's why I'm here. You really want to look like it's all real, and you'll say how much are you planning to list on a monthly basis and what would the average price of the unit. So I tried to kind of go under what I'm actually going to be listing. I said around 30 to 60 items or so a month, and the average price would be £30. That's for the next 2 months. I'll be listing the most, as I will not be listing much of the items once they're all listed. He then asked, what's your estimated time of delivery? And I said 2 to 3 days after dispatch. And then he said, congratulations, I've fixed the issue with your account and it is now in good standing. You can continue your business further. So I was very happy about that, and it was all sorted. There's nothing to worry about, and I've got everything listed back again, as you can see here. And I've just started getting my payouts now for certain items, because obviously it's a new account. I've got to get my feedback for the item. They've got to be marked as delivered and everything like that, so it's very important. And also the things I've been selling, they've been extremely quick with dispatch times. As you can see, like, everything's really good and we're getting lots delivered. So all of this here tomorrow is going to be coming into my bank account, meaning once we get more orders I can actually do them. And then once everything on this page is delivered, I'm assuming every single day we'll start getting the money come through, and we won't have to wait for the products to be delivered because eBay will trust it. So now we've got all that out of the way, how much have we made so far in profit? Now let's take a look at the spreadsheet here. Our biggest selling item was actually the solar panel oxygenator pond fish air pump thing, right? Sorry, I read it out really weirdly, but as you can see, it's got sold out. As you can see, it is now sold out. This was my biggest seller. I sold about 10 of these in the first day. It was pretty crazy, but they're all sold out. But then I found another one which is even cheaper, and the profit margins for this are so much better. This is 100% profit margin almost with my dropship discount. I'm paying about £5.80 for this, and I'm making about £5 profit per one, and that is really good. And these are selling as well, so I'm very happy about that. It's a really good product, and yeah, it's going to make a lot of money, I'm sure. Because think, if we sell 100 of these, that's £500. Just 100 of these sold, it's half of our goal already completed. That is so good. But how much money have we made so far? Granted, it's not much, but guys, you've got to remember, £50, right? But you got to remember, It's a brand new eBay account. It's a brand new business. When you create a brand new business, you're usually not profitable in the first year, 2 years, you know? Dropshipping is profitable in the first week. That's how you got to look at it. And you've also got to look at it in the profit margins as well. And you've also got to look at it, there's only 30 products listed. Once this is scaled up, we've got 1,000 products listed. Think about the profits that are going to be made. Right now, because it's a new eBay account, we've got to be slow with it. We can't be fast because we'll get suspended and we don't want that. So we've got to be very slow, look like a real seller. Once I've actually paid for a business account on here, upgraded, then we'll start listing a lot more items and we'll be able to get a lot more sales there, which means more profit and also much better eBay fees, because right now it's 15% eBay fees. God, it's a lot. And obviously the extra 1% because I promote all the listings by 1%. As you can see, we sold 12 of the oxygen pumps, the ones that are sold out, and we made £23 from 12. It's not very good. But if we come down to, where is it? Sorry. If we come down to here, this is the other oxygen pump, the one that is in stock that I've started selling that costed £6. £5 profit per one, and only 3 sales. We made 3 sales, we made £15 from 3 sales, whereas 12 sales we made £23. So as we can see, this is a much better product and it's the same product, much better margins. Think if we sold 12 of these instead, that would have been a lot better. That would have been £60 just from 12 of those. It would have been almost triple what we've already made. It's triple the profit margins. That's how you gotta look at it. It's very, very good. Obviously, when this is back in stock, I'm also gonna keep selling this. But I'm really, really happy with this product here. And I know we're gonna scale that up even more. So now I've updated you with everything there is that's gone on with the eBay store. Now I'm gonna get a listing on Hustle Got Real. So let's get on to Hustle Got Real now. Okay, so now we're on Hustle Got Real. And I'm on the catalog bit, which is where you list your items. And what I've done here is I've selected my suppliers that I want to use. I want to use Banggood UK, AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. The reason I'm not using SaleYee is because I've browsed SaleYee already on the website itself when I was doing the manual listing, and I've already listed all the products that I actually want to list. So I've got Banggood here because there's a massive, massive selection. Same with CJ, same with AliExpress. And the reason I'm not selecting this banggood.com up here is because Banggood UK means it will definitely be coming from the UK. I don't want to pick banggood.com and it's coming from the US because I want my customers to have the best experience possible on eBay, so I get the best feedback, best everything like that. I want to stay as a top seller. That's very, very important. Not that I am a top seller yet, but we will be. We already know we will be. So I've done that, and I put my maximum source price at £35 because we're not really trying to spend any more than that. I've left the profit empty because, you know, depending on the pricings, the profit margin could be good. For example, this is bad profit, this is bad, this is bad. But we will be finding good profits here. So I'm gonna keep browsing, and I will see when we're here. Actually, this here in itself could be a good product, so we're going to take a look. This is what we do. So once you found a product you may think is good on Hustle Got Real, you then search if it's actually selling and if it's actually selling for the price they're saying with the profit they're saying. So we'll go to sold items and we'll see if this product is selling or not. And if it's not, that's an even better sign. As you can see here, this is an even better sign because it means no one else is selling it. So obviously if you're selling it, it's just if someone searches it, they're going to buy it from you. See, this here could be a really good product actually. We're going to keep this to the selection and we'll look for some more and pick the best one. I mean, this here could be decent. Let's have a look. If 91p profit, but if you get 100 of them sold, it's not too bad. That's the way you got to see it. So cost £6, sell for, yeah, no one's selling this for £8. No, thank you. See, this here, this could be more like it because it's saying 80p profit, but this guy sold it for £10. So I'm thinking we could list this for a little bit more. We could get this listed for £8, £8.90. We get them £1 something profit for £6 for an item that costs £6. So that could be a really good option. So I'm definitely going to keep that added. Here's another really good product. We'll be undercutting massively and we'll be the ones that sell it for sure. Look at this. Cost £8.34, £10.85, £1.50 profit. We'll bump it up to £11.84. Get £2 profit, £2.50 profit per one. How many times has this guy sold it? This would definitely sell. He sold 4 of them. But how long has he been selling them for? He's been selling them for 2 days and he sold 4. 2 days and 4. So this could be our 100 sale product item maybe, because especially now when it's summer as well, it's so hot outside. This could be a great product. So what we're going to do is we're going to add that. I want to realistically have 5 products ready to list that I really do think will sell. I want to look at this just because people might be selling this for a lot more and it could actually be really good. Yep, I was right, selling it for £11 more, £12 more, but this guy, they have better suppliers for it, so it's not worth it actually. So we'll keep looking. I just want to keep all this in because you're learning with me. It's like you're right here with me, seeing what I'm doing, what I'm looking for in a product, everything like that. So I think it is really important that I do keep this in because I want to be as transparent as possible, because I really do think it's important to be as transparent as possible in these challenges. Because at the end of the day, yeah, you're watching this challenge for entertainment, but you're also watching this challenge to learn, I would assume. And I actually want to make sure you do learn watching this as well, because dropshipping it on eBay really can become your job. So I just really want you guys to see that. Air purifier, I know these are so hyped right now in the UK. I know that for sure. I know so many people that actually own these as well. I don't personally, but I know a lot of people that own these. They claim it does a lot of things for them. So this could be really good. Sell for 18. I think this could sell because I know there's a market for it as well. So I think we are going to get that added. I'm happy with that. This could be good. The intelligent robot, and it's summer. I'm sure people would use this outside and things like that. Kit. No one seems to be yet selling it, but I think it could be a good item. So I am going to add that to the selection. So we now have 5 products listed. Well, that we're going to list. So what we do now is I want to optimize the titles. It is worth getting these credits up here. I have 46 remaining, and I think this is important because you rank higher on eBay search results, will analyze the sold item by category, boost your sales, get your listings in front of more potential customers, and it just saves time, which obviously we're all about efficiency and saving time. If you've got to pay to save time, be more efficient, and you're getting all of this with it, it's worth it for sure. And I want to review them individually because what I want to do, of course, is I want to edit the photos and things like that because I want to be as professional as possible, as you guys know from my last episode. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all this listed, I'm going to wait for this, I'm going to change the product pictures, I'm going to do all of that. That's all I'm going to get done, and it should be good to go from there. So we've gone through a lot today. We've gone through everything I've done in the store since I've been away, all of the issues I've had. I've given you tips. There's been a lot in this episode. It's been a very compact episode. I hope you've enjoyed, and I really hope it's given you some value. That's the aim here. I just really want to give some value to people. I want people to realize they can do this as their job. They can really make money from this, as it's only been the first week, and as I've already said in this video, when you start a business, the first week, the first month, the first year, the first 2 years, you usually are not even profitable. So if you're someone that doesn't like doing risk, someone that doesn't have a lot of money, as I've shown, I've started from zero. So I'm really just trying to inspire you guys to start doing this, as it really is a good business model. But yeah, I really hope you've taken value from this. I really hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button, press that red subscribe button, and yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely rest of your day.